Welcome to my channel, My Take on How To, and today I show you how I set up my stock tank as a backyard pool. I started off with preparing the ground, and you have to level it out. Sand on top, that's probably the best solution, and then goes the stock tank. Sometimes you have to fill it up with water first, let the water out, check for leveling. That's what I did. Add some sand, level it out again, and fill it up with water again. Also, make sure that you have access to your drain. So here we are, water goes in, and I think I chose the first fill up from a tank, that surface tank that had some rust in it, and I had to drain the whole water again, but it served for a few weeks. It worked okay. So here I'm helping it along with a little bit added effort. Yeah, so that was last summer, and we did use it. Also, I wasn't finished setting up, and then I started work some more on it, as you can see in a moment. So this is the following spring, and what I had done last year was put on these boards on the outside, and they're all screwed to each other, and then I put this strapping. I stapled the strapping on. I just cleaned the inside, or cleaned all the debris off that made its way in there. Come out. There you go. And then I also got the deck done. So far so good. More to go, and then hopefully it's gonna be done soon, and I will have the final product. So in here I did inflate my light water raft from Climate, and I will review that in a separate video. I just thought it would be kind of like a cool touch of color, and I'm also looking forward to using it as an air mattress. I think that will work very well. And when I built my deck, I wanted a back wall. We get to that in a moment too. Here in the pool again, very nice. And so I have some fishnet which I cut up, and I used as kind of like a curtain that's draped over it, which can also be used for added shade. Yeah, and I do have chlorine in it, and I will also set up a pump to deal with my little bit of an algae growth on top. And I had already done a pump earlier, some years earlier, which I will build on that system and share that in a separate video and see how that goes. But so far so good. This is my little backyard oasis. I hope you enjoyed it, and just go ahead and build your own. Thanks for watching.